The hair I'm going to be working with today, it's this gorgeous wig from Beautiful Forever Hair. It's a 13 by 4 lace front wig. It's either 22 or 24 inches. I don't remember exactly, but it's a straight blonde hair with 150 density. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do the bold cap method just because it works best for me when I plan to wear my hair for a week or more. The first thing I did is, of course, I sprayed my got2b spray all over my hairline, making sure it dries out perfectly with the blow dryer, and then I cut the excess cap with my scissors. The next thing I do is, of course, I put foundation to mimic my skin color. This helps, give you the natural look when you put the hair on. So that's why it's called the bold cap, It's gonna make you look like you're bold. So here I'm going to do like a quick fitting. As you guys can see, I already worked on the hair a little bit outside the camera just because it's time consuming, and I'd rather just do it off camera and then come back and show you how I installed the hair. And here I'm using my I think I'm using bowl hold. Yes, I'm using bowl hold to glue my wig. I'm gonna do 2 coats of bowl hold. Want to make sure it gets super tacky and dry, and then I'm going to place my wig slowly on my hairline or wherever I put my glue to make sure it's in place. You want to make sure your hair it's placed correctly before it dries, because when that glue dries, that hair is not moving because bolt hold, it's strong. So I'm gonna aid myself with a small comb and my blow dryer in cold setting. You want to make sure your blow dryer it's blowing cold air and not hot, so it can dry the glue. Take your time. I'm kind of speeding up through the process, but you really have to take your time with this. Here you can see that my hair is already laid, but I'm gonna go ahead with my elastic band. Elastic bands are very important when placing your wigs, because when putting your wigs on, because it helps holding the hair in place, and it helps melting that lace. The next thing I'm doing here, it's putting a little bit of wax stick through the root of the wig, and then I'm gonna go through with my hot comb to make sure that top is flat. And then I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace. I'm pretty sure I lost that footage, so it's gonna take you straight to me doing my edges after this. Here's my lace already cut and clean, as you guys can see. And here's me already with my baby hairs already cut. So here I'm laying my baby hairs with some regular schmegular Extreme gel. If you know the brand Extreme, it's my favorite gel when it comes to laying my edges.
I'd rather be alone tonight. You can say I love you through the phone tonight. Really don't wanna be in your arms tonight. I'll just use my...
So this is the final look of the baby hairs, and now I'm going to move on to styling the hair, which is my favorite part of the video, because yeah, why not? So pretty much to do this curl, to achieve the bouncy curls, I'm gonna use my flat iron to curl my hair. And this is exciting for me because I did not know how to do these until recently, and now I don't see myself going back to the old methods. You know, I used to be a curling wand kind of girl, but I mean, I can use the curling wand for like looser curls, but this is it for me, baby. You know, call me arrogant Tay. I got it right here. I love how the flat iron leaves gives you perfect bouncy curls. Like, that's the best way to get it. You want to make sure you spray some holding spray between sections, just to make sure that the curls stay intact for a while. That would help your curls last for at least 2 days.
Way too damn needy. Tell me how good it feels to be needed, and I can be needy.
Here I'm using a white tooth comb to go through the curls, and you know, I'm just gonna be trying different things until I get the perfect look that I was looking for. I also did a little bit of layers, even though I'm very scared of layers, but I think I did pretty okay. I finally decided to go with a brush because, you know, it was not giving what I was expecting it was gonna give with just the comb. And I'm spraying some of these I think it's like a shiny thing. It's a spray that gives shine to the hair after going through with the flat iron, and I love it. It gives the perfect amount of shine without leaving the hair oily. I'll put all the products on the description box because I did not remember the names of these products. So I shook my head a little bit because I didn't want to brush it anymore, so I don't lose the curl pattern that I already created. And shaking the hair would give it that fluffiness, that volume that you guys.
And sorry if I say sorry, wait.
And yeah, I'm just here placing the hairs where I want, and this is the final look, guys. I am really happy with the result. I don't know how you guys feel about it. Let me know in the comments. What do you think? How I did? If you want to see the pictures that I took with this beautiful unit, you can check it out on my social media. And if you want to buy this beautiful unit, you can also check out my description box and get all the links and all the tea on Beautiful Forever hair. So yeah, this is everything. Thank you very much for staying and watching. See you on my next video. Bye.
Way too damn